box of kittens. More fun than a box of kittens. What in the world could be more fun than a box of kittens?
Yeah.
So pretty. Yes, you are so very pretty. And wild. Look at you. You're a bunch of wildcats. You're all picking on Hobbs. Why are you all picking on Hobbs? What did Hobbs ever do to you? Look at it, they're all picking on Hobbs. Hey, no fair.
Bite what?
No
He's
fair.
biting. Look at that. He's
What are
biting.
you doing? You're double teaming the poor girl, poor
Biting
boy.
each other. The other two are like, we have no part in this.
I didn't do nothing. Sheesh. Everybody's always blaming me.
Hold on.
Where is she?
What's her name? She's young. I think she's like 16, 17.